Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some no-bake dough balls.
No, we can't say dough balls. Dough has no dough. Does it have dough? It's dough. Oh, sorry.
The recipe is from the I keep saying unconscious plant kitchen. So I haven't actually made this recipe before, but my mum's made it a couple of times. It's by the Conscious Plant Kitchen. I won't say all the quantities because obviously it's her recipe, but I'll link it in the description. I just thought maybe you'd want to cook it with me. You know that meme when it's like food bloggers on Instagram be like, just a couple of cupboard essentials, and it's like a feather from a dodo, and like I feel like this is an embodiment of that because all the ingredients are pretty bougie. But it's some smooth roasted peanut butter. The recipe specified like no added sugar and salt, so that's what I used. 100% pure Canadian maple syrup that's actually from Canada. Some raw organic coconut flour, some organic almond flour, and it said some dark chocolate chips. I don't have chips, so I just cut up some cubes of dark chocolate. So starting with the wet ingredients, I've already put the peanut butter in the bowl, and then I'm going to take the maple syrup and add that to the peanut butter. And just give it a mix. So once it's all combined, we're going to add in the almond flour. Like, even having organic almond flour in a mason jar like this is so extra. Mix that in. Also add in the chocolate chips and the organic coconut flour. Thank you so much to everyone who subscribed. I've hit 50 subscribers, which is pretty exciting. Should all start coming together like a dough. Okay, now it's in like a dough like this. It's apparently meant to make 16 balls. Okay, 16 balls. That's meant to make 8. So this is how big they're meant to be, and that's 100 calories. I don't know how good an idea making these outside on like a hot day is, because they're a bit sweaty. I am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so that's them all rolled. That's 16 of them. You're supposed to put them in the fridge, but they are really good just like fresh. They're good, but they're obviously quite melty right now. So I'm going to pop them in the fridge and then film a little clip once they're chilled. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Right, done. Thanks, babe. Can't believe I almost forgot. I want to say a massive thank you to my nephew Bertie and my niece Amelia for watching my videos.